Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about how automatically fix the column size. For that, here is the Excel sheet. Now we want to type the headers for a particular table. Consider that we have the table for a product. So first we are going to type the product ID in the column name, product ID, then product name, and then its quantity, then its price. So here you have seen that the complete we are not able to see the complete column header. So again we have to do this automatically. We have to adjust the column width automatically. But each and every time we have to do this and it will consume our maximum time. So to avoid time consuming, what we have to do? So today we are going to see all these things in my video. So we are going to removing the headers over here. Now click on the your current sheet. Right click on the your current sheet. Here my sheet is sheet 2. I'm going to right click on it. Then click on the view code. So this window will appear. Just click on this drop down and select the worksheet. After selecting this worksheet, you have to type cells dot entire column, then dot auto fit. After typing this that you have to minimize it. Now same table I am going to creating over here, and after creating this table I don't have to do the manual adjustment. It will be automatically adjusted the column width. Then first is the product ID. The next one is that product name. The third one is that quantity, then price. So now here you have seen that it is automatically adjusted. Consider that product ID is MH, product ID is MH101. Suppose we are selling the cars. So here the Tata Harrier. I'm going to enter the petrol model over here. Petrol model. Now here you have seen that this typing is go beyond the two cells, but see how it will be automatically adjusted. The quantity is 1, price is 30 lakhs, so I'm going to type over here 30 lakhs. Now again you have seen the price column will be automatically adjusted. So see how efficiently it will save your time. I hope you have understand this simple technique to automatically adjusted the column width. I hope you like it. Please do like my videos, share my videos, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.